Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022, hosted by B&D Crafts and More, Kelly Creative Dreams. It is week 6. Mark it off. And I did a little journal. Oops. I need that. So, story behind this journal is I already had the paper on it. I just never finished it. So I finished it. So what I got on the cover is, and this is Tim Holtz papers throughout this, and this is some delusion in Christmas images I recently got. I put this bingo card on. This was I had. A couple things in here that I made that I didn't. I just made. I thought they were cool, but never used them with anything. So I put that bingo card there with a little cluster going on the edge. On here I have some ribbon, these little ornaments, dangling. So that's just a little flip one. And then when you open it, you have a pocket. And this is Holly Jolly. Got some little ephemera piece. Santa. Just added a little journaling card in here. A little to and from tag. And just these little tags. Just extras that I didn't use. This, and then I made this a while ago. Probably last year. Still cute. So I'll put that in there. And I made this a while ago as well. And I just took that in there as well. And then this side I got Merry Christmas. Got little trim stickers here. Joy. And you flip and it's another pocket. And I got like a postcard here. Oh, Christmas tree, a joy. Christmas joy is in my heart. And then got a couple little to and froms. Little bright. Then I made this library card. And that gets tucked in there. On this side is a journaling spot. It says Christmas, Merry Christmas. And serve we come accordingly. And you flip. Journaling spot. Just got it decorated with Merry Christmas. Little gift. Merry and bright. Joy. Silver and gold. Christmas joy is in my heart. Cheers, celebrate, Christmas joy. And a little tab. And a little journaling spot as well. Got a Christmas, Santa, Merry Christmas, believe. And I did this one going in the opposite direction. Dear Saint Nick. Got a journaling spot. Little sticker, Merry Christmas, a little candy cane, Christmas cheer. This side says 'tis the season. And then journaling spot. I got this border. It says joy. There are a few of my favorite things. Here on this side is a pocket. Got a little journaling spot on the pocket itself. A little Christmas bulb. A gifts. And then there's little journaling cards. Another journal and 2 journaling cards. Tucked. And then this. Got the deer, 25th, Merry Christmas. That. And I also stuck this little wooden pin in there. I go right there. up again. More journaling spots. Bring some to Figgy Pudding. I will be home for Christmas. Baby, it's cold outside. Christmas tree. Little journaling spot. Holiday. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Just little spots. And then the back side. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And that is my project for this week. It's cute. Just simple. So I want to thank you for watching. I will have all the other people that are doing this in the description box below. So please go over and check them out as well. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.